All right, so I've got this floor plan in place. As I look at it, a lot of the details fairly nice. However, you know, once I start building this out, I can see where some of the fine detail might get lost. So I could use something to help myself out. Be able to see this more clearly as I start building. And I was recently reminded, talking with somebody, about a tool that I almost never use, and that is the annotation tool. And it's pretty straightforward. I mean, I click the pencil and I can write and take notes and whatever. Going a step further, though, I can, if I hold the mouse button down, there are additional options. Move this out of the way, actually. There we go. There. So I can do what I was just doing. There's annotation using straight lines, polygons, and then there's also an eraser. So I'm going to just go ahead and I will go to my front view. And I don't need anything extravagant or overly detailed here. But I think what I will do is I will hold the button down and I will select the line tool so that I can get some straight lines. And just kind of start fleshing out where some of these details are. I can maybe even do a little bit of side hashing, sort of representing where the steps might be. All right. If I go to my top view, the other thing I can do actually that's kind of nice is I can, if I go to tools when I'm using the annotation tool, I have some settings that I can work with here and also here, and I can actually set up multiple layers. So that being the case, I can draw in two different colors. Actually, let's switch back to the straight line tool. If I'm doing a longer run, it's nice to get a fairly straight line and get a cleaner look. But the beauty of this now is that as I start building things out, I've got things in different layers, and it might make it a little easier for me to read the scene. So hopefully that's something of some use to you.